Hey guys, what's going on? It's Bahja, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get my flawless skin. So let's get right into it. So as y'all can see, I've completely wet my face with warm water, and I'm going to be using this Burt's Bees face wash. Is all natural and I really love it. So I just use about this much, and I just rub it in on my face everywhere. Done. So now I'm gonna take my spin brush, and I got this from Five Below for like $5. I don't ever wet the brushes when I first use it because it's supposed to exfoliate. And I just go around on my face one time. I turn it on high. And then I just rinse it off with warm water. And once you've used your spin brush and you go around your face one time, you just take a regular rag with warm water and then you just wipe it off. So that's what I'm about to do now. You want to kind of make sure that you get this stuff from off of your face completely because you don't really want it to clog your pores. That's happened to me before, so I try to make sure I thoroughly clean my face of my face wash. Okay guys, so now that my face is completely washed, my face wash is off, and my skin is feeling fresh, I use Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and this is amazing. I take one shot of it in the morning and I put it on my face. So you just want to kind of shake it up. I take a capful. Then you want to pour a little bit into like a mixing bowl and go ahead and apply that to your face. So once you pour the apple cider vinegar into your mixing bowl, and I just use it directly on my face, but if you're using it for the first time, then I would suggest that you dilute it with water so that it doesn't burn your face. You want to go ahead and take about this much tissue and and you want to fold it like so. I put my finger in there and then I just dip it in a bowl and I put it on my face. And this is really good too, guys, if you have cystic acne. I used to have the worst cystic acne ever, so this works out really well for my skin. I haven't had any like cystic bumps in like maybe 2 years since I've been using this face care routine, so you know, this is really lit. Alright, so once you put that on, then you want to go ahead and let it dry. So I'm gonna fan myself. Now that it's all dried in, we want to go ahead and go to our next product. Okay, so now that the apple cider vinegar is all dried in, you want to go ahead and take your witch hazel. Y'all, this is like my saving grace, especially for my piercings. When I first got my nose pierced, it was trying to like keloid up and all of that, and I used witch hazel, and it really helped me. So I would suggest that you guys use this too. It's also all natural, and it really helps with like if your face is swollen or irritated. I like to use it for my pimples though, or just my skin in general. So I take this, I take a little bit more tissue, same amount, fold it up the same exact way. Then I take my witch hazel and I just put it on the tissue. And then I just go ahead and start, well, I'll start with my nose ring because I always clean my nose ring when I clean my face. Just because I don't want it to be like nasty, you know, like I just recently got over a cold, so, you know, I don't want to be looking all sick. I mean, I don't want it to be having all like boogers on it. Then you just take it and you go around your face one time. And I use the other side of the tissue, so the side that I didn't use for my nose ring, so I don't have boogers on my face. And you just kind of go around one time, make sure your face is all covered in witch hazel. Done. So you want to let that dry, and then this is our last product, Pond's. This is the best absolute skincare cream that I've ever used. I've used stuff from dermatologists, I've used regular lotion, I've used coconut oil. I mean, when I was first starting out, never used coconut oil for your face. I've used all different types of lightweight oils, and this is the only thing that works the best. So you take a little bit, I'll take just a little bit on my middle finger, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 4, and then I just rub it in. This is like my favorite part of my skincare routine because I just feel like after this my skin just starts to like glow and it looks so like well moisturized. Want to make sure you're rubbing all that in pretty well. And then that's it. And so we are done. And this takes me about, when I'm not filming, it takes me maybe like 7 minutes. But I hope that this tutorial was really helpful to you guys. If you have really dry skin in the morning, this is kind of how I power my skin, you know, just for my day. And be on the lookout for another video so I can show you guys my nighttime routine. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe below, like, comment, tell your friends.